I thought this video was awesome and wanted to share it with you, showing Artemis 2's flight path relative to that of Apollo 11 and Apollo 13. And it illustrates so many aspects of space travel I didn't understand until the past couple of weeks. And I'm no NASA scientist, I'm no physicist, but I figured, you know what, I've learned a lot, and maybe I'll share a little bit with you, and maybe you'll find this video just as cool as I did. So kudos to ANSYS or whomever made this video showcasing the flight path of Apollo 13, supposed to land on the moon. They had the accident with the stirring of the oxygen tanks, had to cut that mission short. That's why they're back already. You see that Apollo 11 had that really circular flight path because the little squiggles, because they landed on the moon and with the rotations continued to travel along that lunar orbit. What I always thought happened here is you shoot off a rocket and it's just powered by those rocket engines straight up into the sky and it goes straight to the moon. But you see here how Artemis's path is slowing down. What happens is the rockets give it enough velocity to escape Earth's atmosphere and to shoot toward the moon, but they're being pulled by gravity the entire time. So they are slowing down just as if you threw a ball in the air. That ball is eventually going to come back to Earth. And that's what would happen to those ships as well eventually, because they're not going at escape velocity fast enough to really escape Earth's gravitational pull. But they do have enough velocity to get to the moon. And when they get there, the moon's gravitational pull, ever so slight as it is, turns them back so they can come back to Earth. You see Artemis here slingshotting past Earth. The gravitational pull speeds it up and then shoots it up toward that lunar orbit. And really just kind of fascinating to wrap your head around how this is all working. 25,000 miles an hour or so as they are at peak velocity before things slow down. And then there it is, that slight little loop around the moon. And they head back. And you see Apollo 11 heading back as well. And you see them start to gain speed as they are falling back toward planet Earth. Remember, as Earth is spinning around the sun the entire time. Again, just an awesome video. I learned a lot from it, and hopefully you learned a lot looking at it as well.